Okay, so we'll do it across all other machine also, node 1 and node 2 also. So we need to make some changes on ambari m.repos.d. Okay, so I'm doing m-y install ambari-agent. Sorry. Okay, so doing the installation and do the same thing on master also. Okay, on the master machine we need to install ambari server also. So I'm doing that m-y. Okay, so ambari server, so there are some dependent packages also. So installation is started. Okay, so the ambari server also done. So okay, so we have installed ambari-agent across all the machines and ambari server on one of the machines. Okay, so next we need to make changes on the ambari-agent's configuration files to point this ambari server. Okay, so we'll go to okay, so we'll start from the master. Okay, so open this file /etc ambari-agent conf ambari-agent ini file. Here you can see the host name is localhost. Instead of localhost, write the name of the machine, or it can be host name or IP address of the machine where ambari server is running. Save that and do the same thing across other machine also. So /etc ambari-agent conf. Okay, instead of localhost, write the name on which ambari server is running. Okay, so we'll do it on the node 2 also. Okay, so right here next we need to okay, so that ambari-agent configuration is done. So now we can configure, or we can do setup of ambari server. Okay, so for that ambari-server setup. Okay, so here okay, fine, checking the pre-SQL sets. Okay, fine, selecting the default. Here I have installed a JDK, so I can choose option number 3. If I choose option number 1 or 2, it will try to pull the packages from internet, but in a real-time production environment, so the internet access may not be there. So I have I'm trying this option 3, because I already have Java installed and configured /user Java JDK. This is the JDK home. Okay, so I'm adding that. Okay, so Java home. then advanced database configuration. Here we have option to change the database. Also we can change the database credential, everything, but I am choosing the default one. So by default it use PostgreSQL. This is the database used by Ambari for storing its data. I mean whatever the data Ambari uses. So I'm choosing the default one. So it will take a few minutes to do that configurations, and setup will take few minutes. Okay, Ambari setup has successfully completed. Now we can start the Ambari agent as well as Ambari master services or Ambari server service. Okay, so it is starting the service, so it will take a few minutes to start. So meanwhile let me start Ambari agent also, so we can use service Ambari okay, because Ambari agent is everywhere, not only on the master, but Ambari server is available only on the master. So I just tried that. So here we can check the log files. Ambari agent log files will be here. See if you want to troubleshoot something, so that option will be here. Okay, so also for master also we have a Ambari server logs, so that we can view whatever the message. Okay, see if you see like some heartbeat failed or something, so that means some issues there. Otherwise so that this thing can be used for troubleshooting further. Okay, so now I have installed Ambari server on master and Ambari agents across all the machines including master. So now I can open. Okay, so this is my master machine's IP address, and then 8080, this is the port where my Ambari is running. So you will get a page like this. So your default credentials are admin and admin. Okay, so this is the default page. You looks like this. So here we have view deploy, so user and group manager, and launch cluster wizard. So I will select this one. So this is used for installing cluster. Okay, so I will continue that cluster installation part on the next video.